Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to link your Spotify account to your Google Home or Nest. It's a very simple process, and once you're connected, you'll be able to play songs, albums, and playlists using just your voice. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your Play Store and download the application called Google Home. Go to the search panel and search for Google Home, then download the application. Now, wait for the installation to finish. After the app is installed, open it and make sure you're signed in with the same Google account linked with your Google Home speaker. Once you've done that and you're on the home screen of the Google Home app, now tap on Settings at the bottom right, and over here, just look for the option called Music. Wait for a few seconds and you'll see a list of available music services. In that list, all you have to do is just look for Spotify and tap on it. Then there should be a pop-up in front of you where you should see the option called Link Account. Click Continue. Now, just click on Agree and Accept. Wait for a few seconds. Once you are on this page, scroll down a little bit and click on Agree. After that, your Spotify should be linked with your Google Home. Spotify will now appear as one of the linked services at the very top, as you can see. If you want Spotify to be your default music app, make sure to select it as the default app. Now, that means every time you say something like, "Hey Google, play some chill music," your speaker will automatically use Spotify to stream the music. You can even test it right now. Simply say, "Hey Google, play my Discover Weekly on Spotify," and if everything is set up correctly, it should start playing your playlist right away. So that's it. Your Spotify account is now successfully linked with your Google Home device, and you're ready to enjoy hands-free music anytime you want. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.